back to my new stream. So നമ്മുടെ കൂടെ ആരുടെ ഇവന് നമ്മുടെ കൂടെ ഷിബിൻ തോമസ്, that means ആൽബിൻ എന്ന് പറയും. His real name is Alvin, so I call him Shibin Thomas. So let's start our gameplay. CS ranked. Okay, ഏത് മാപ്പ് ആണെന്ന് നോക്കാം നമുക്ക്. ഗസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുക ഏത് മാപ്പാന്ന്. ഏതാ ഇത്? ഓ നെക്സ്ട്രാ. ഈ 3 പേരെയല്ലോ നമുക്ക്. ഇല്ല, നമുക്ക് 4. ഡാഡ് ബ്ലാക്കോ, ഡാഡ് ഈസ് ബാക്കോ. അവൻ്റെ പേരിൽ ചുമ്മാതാണോ അതോ റിയൽ ആണോ നമുക്ക് നോക്കാം. അവനെ കളിക്കുന്ന ആരാണോ? ഡാഡ് ഈസ് ബാക്ക്, മോം ഈസ് ബാക്ക്, എന്തൊക്കെയേ ഇവന്. അതെ, എല്ലാവരും ഇവിടെ വന്നാൽ എങ്ങനെ? ആരും മുന്നോട്ട് പോകത്തില്ല. someone is here. I don't know why is he hitting. Oh, you are already with me. Go ahead. I'll give you cover. I'll take the wall support. One fellow is up, okay? Hey, someone, footprints. Go ahead. മുന്നോട്ട് പോടാ, വീട്ടിനകത്ത് കയറി. I am your dad എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ട് അവൻ തന്നെ പോയി തട്ടുപോയി. Dad is back at her dad.
Double takedown.
Oh shit, ഒരുത്തനെ ഉള്ളായിരുന്നു. ആരുടെ ആയിരുന്നു ലൈവ്? ഇവന് എനിക്ക് 2 കില്ല് കിട്ടിപ്പോയേനെ ആറാംസ്. എന്താ നമുക്ക്, നീ ഏതാ എടുത്ത്? ഞാൻ തോംസൺ എടുത്തു. ഐ ഡിഡ് 1 കിll, അതുകൊണ്ട് എനിക്ക്. So guys, do like, share and subscribe. Circus. Oh, സർക്ക ബ്രൈബ്. അലേർട്ട് ആയിരിക്കടാ. ഇവിടുന്ന് എന്റെ സൈഡിലാ zip line. Wait. You see my back, okay? I'm seeing there. Okay, one knocked. Kill him. Good one. Let him kill. Arey, cover me. I'm going ahead. Who is that? Okay. Glitch. Oh, phone full glitch. I'm not gonna send him. Phone full glitch. Sudden glitch.
Double takedown.
Dad, മമ്മ ആരൊക്കെ ഇനി എന്തൊക്കെ ഉണ്ടെന്ന്. ഡാഡി മമ്മി വീട്ടിലില്ല. അരേ ക്ലിയർ ആണ്. കൊണ്ടുപോയി. Good one. Arey, finish him.
Double takedown.
Good one. Dad is back at re. എത്ര കില്ല് ചെയ്തു? 3 2 kills. Oh, back. Come back. Oh, zone avda. Kill him. പോയി. മെഡ് മാറോ ഭായ്, മെഡ് മാറോ. പോടാ ഭായ് താഴോട്ട്. പോയി ചത്തു. ഇനി എന്ത് അല്ലേലും ഇവൻ ചാവൂന്ന് അറിയാലോ. 2 പേര് ഇങ്ങോട്ട് വന്നു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ സോ ഹി ഷുഡ് പ്ലാൻ ബിഫോർ ലീഗ്. ഒരു റൗണ്ടും ജയിച്ചില്ലയോ? നീ എക്സ്ട്രീമേറ്റ് എടുത്തോ. If you take short range, I'll take faster. Come to left. They are going to right, I guess. If they are going right, we need to take left, okay? If they are coming with us, we need to split. They went straight, okay? അകത്തുനിന്ന് വാ. Avani attack. One fellow is coming here. താഴെ ഒരുത്തൻ towards your left. Kill him. He's coming. One fellow is coming. Okay, short range ഞാൻ എടുക്കാം. He's coming. Give me revive. Kill him. Come. One fellow is on the flying bridge, okay? This one. Back off you. Hey, nice one, Ray. Kill him. Arey, come here, Ray. This fellow. Pick him off. Complete him. Complete this fellow. Okay. Wait. Take cover. Give me revive. Good one. Excellent, man. Excellent.
Thanks.
Good one. Excellent gameplay. What all weapons do you have?
M1014 Need equipment.
Okay, no problem.
Thanks.
Someone want a mushroom.
Need equipment. Thanks.
Come with me. You have long range, right?
Both long and short.
Good one. Come with me. Use that skill now.
You want it to have petrol.
Hey, why did he die? Arey, 2 people are there.
First two.
How many?
One only is there from my side.
Is there out or in? Is in. Stay alert.
Footsteps on one in there.
Near you.
Help me.
Don't go out, Ray. We two are only alive. Come on.
Help me.
Come, Ray.
Footsteps.
Then he is up above me. Arey, 4 are there. How do we manage? Hey, तू राइट में देख, मैं लेफ्ट में देख रहा हूँ. हाँ, वहाँ पर देख. Footsteps near you. Stay alert. Oh.
Help me.
Oh, nice, Ray. Did 2 knock, but didn't get 1 kill also. Shit, man. Why did he die so soon, Ray? I told you to take cover from right and. Come towards left. Come to left. Why they are going and wait. Check. Oh no. Then let's go. Give me cover from back, okay? Or I'll give you cover from back. Go ahead. No one is there. Clear. Someone
Help me.
footsteps.
Help me.
First two.
Where are you?
Thanks.
Come run off.
Help me.
Come.
Help me.
Footsteps on the കേട്ടോ.
Okay.
Help me.
Done,
Double
Ray.
takedown.
Why did you run so fast, Ray? I told you to take cover and go slowly. Play slowly. I'm only on the top. Protection card helped me.
मेरा तो
3 kills. Top में mage. Don't rush, okay? From next time. Just take cover. Play slowly. Take your time. Okay, let's begin another game. So guys, do like, share and subscribe. Need your support. Who is that?
Free Fire India
Malayali
is
alalavan. They are having Dimitri, huh? What about them? Oh shit. Hard to kill them. ఆదిన్ Dimitri-నే కండుపిడిచుకోలేను. Who is with me? What is your name? I have the glue wall pet, you know. One fellow is coming straight. What do you have? Katana. Okay, let's go ahead, okay? Come this way. Kill him, complete him. Who is that fellow, eh? Big kill chori?
మూడు మ్యాచ్లు విన్ కావాలి.
Telugu fellow.
Good job.
చెప్పు ఎట్లున్నావు? ఓ తమ్ముడు.
తమ్ముడు ఎవరు తమ్ముడు మీరు?
కమ్ విత్ మీరే.
ఎవరు తమ్ముడు?
Oh shit. Nice one. Only one player is alive. ఆడని కానీ రివైవ్ వేసుకోండి. ఎక్కడున్నాడు ఈడు? కొట్టండి. ఎంకల అంతే బ్రో, అంతే.
తగ్గేదలే
అంతే మళ్ళా. బ్రో చెప్పు బ్రో, ఏమైంది?
బ్రో
చెప్పు, ఏమో చెప్పినావు కదా. ఏ వెపన్ తీసుకున్నావు? లాంగ్ రేంజా షార్ట్ రేంజా? నేను లాంగ్ రేంజ్ తీసుకున్నా. ఇద్దరు లెఫ్ట్ కి పోండి, ఇద్దరు రైట్ కి పోండి, అయిపోతుంది పని, కవర్ అయిపోతుంది. నేను లెఫ్ట్ చూసుకుంటా. రైట్ లో ఉన్నారు ఇద్దరా ముగ్గురా? రైట్ లోనే ఉన్నారు చాలా మంది. మీ చక్కనే ఉన్నారు. వస్తున్నాం. ఫార్మేషన్ బట్టి పోండి. I'm dead. अरे 3 जने आए रे, पूरे घेर के आए. చూద్దాం నెక్స్ట్ మ్యాచ్ లో. మనకు 2 ఉంది కదా. ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేద్దామంటే ఇద్దరు లాంగ్ రేంజ్ తీసుకొని ఇద్దరు షార్ట్ రేంజ్ తీసుకోవాలి. అట్లా ఆడితేనే కరెక్ట్ అవుతుంది. సరే, నేను షార్ట్ రేంజ్ తీసుకుంటా. ఒక్కైనా షార్ట్ రేంజ్ తో పోవాలి, ఒక్కైనా లాంగ్ రేంజ్ తో పోవాలి. అంటే
ఓకే
ముగ్గురు ఉన్నారా? ముగ్గురు లెఫ్ట్ నుంచి ఇవ్వండి. ఓ షిట్. ఓకే, నో ప్రాబ్లం. లోపల నుంచి ఇద్దరు వస్తుండు. He's alive, huh?
ఎడ కొల్లడా
Shit!
Oh my god.
మంచిగా ఆడుతుండే, మంచిగా ఉండే గేమ్ ప్లే.
Good game, bro.
ఒక పని చేద్దాం, ఇప్పుడు స్ప్లిట్ చేసుకుందాం. ఇద్దరు రైట్ కి ఇవ్వాలి, ఇద్దరు లెఫ్ట్ కి ఇవ్వాలి. నేను మళ్ళా జోజోన్ అని ఒకడు ఉన్నాడు కదా, మేము రైట్ కి వెళ్తాము, మీరిద్దరు లెఫ్ట్ నుంచి ఇవ్వండి. యా హెల్మెట్. ఓకే స్టే హియర్. లెట్ దెమ్ కమ్. On that character, let me see where is available. కనిపించిందిరా? రైట్ లో ఉన్నారు. ఓ షిట్. Right. Give me revive. He's in that house. Okay. That one only. Don't go out, Ray Buffalo. Arey, come inside, Ray Buffalo. He can give you nicely. Arey, come in, Ray, stupid.
వన్
Where the lazy? Oh, nice, Ray. Nice damage. Damn it.
First two.
Go. You go. Kill him, Ray. Go kill him. One fellow is only there. He's up. Take cover. Wait for your chance. He's gonna come down only. Zone apna ka nature. Light. Allu. Ande. Rush na ko karo. Okay. Damage. Shibin, go from right. Hey, shit, man. Full damage da. Hey. Arey, out, Ray. Go out. He's that Wukong is. Okay.
No problem, bro. రష్ లాంగ్ రేంజ్ షాట్ కొడుకులు వస్తారు. ఎట్లంటే మనతో వస్తారు.
తెలుగు తమిళ? తెలుగు. ఇంట్లో పడవండి, నేను బయట ఉంటా. అరే అందరూ కలిసి ఉంటే అది ప్రాబ్లం ఉంటుంది. ఏడున్నారు వీళ్ళు? ఆ డ్రాప్ దగ్గర ఒకడు వస్తుండు. లెట్ హిమ్ కమ్. కిల్ హిమ్ ఆఫ్. One fellow is inside, Ray. From where is coming, Ray? Shit, man. Okay. Kill that fellow. Shit, Ray. 2 are here only.
Takedown.
2v2 అయిపోయింది.
Okay. No problem. We can manage.
నమ్మడా
फोन मार रहा है फोन
So guys, do like, share and subscribe my stream. So matches are going like this. Hmm?
పెట్ట ఆర్వోన్ అడుగు.
Which pet?
ARVON.
What it do?
It will give you the option to
Okay, 1 second. Where do I find my pet? I forgot.
ప్రెస్ట్ పోయిட்டு పెట్టు
West Vault.
ఆ వాల్ట్ ప్రెస్ట్ అతను ఇదిగోను
Okay, there. Present.
ప్రెస్ట్ అది
What?
ప్రెసెంట్
That's only. What?
ఆర్వోన్ ARVON
I don't have that character. I mean that pet. They are coming. Re.
మన యాడ్ చేయను
Add madam.
మిస్ అను
That fellow only.
డియాజ్
ARON. ARVON. Okay.
డియాజ్ డియాజ్ నడుకునిಲ್ಲ
He is not accepting, huh?
MVP అన్కిపో
Yeah, he is come. No, I don't have pet. Emain bro? Okay guys, we are in the match, so do like, share, subscribe. മുന്നലത്തെ മാച്ച് കളിച്ചവരുടെ കൂടെ നമ്മളിപ്പം പിന്നെ മാച്ച് കളിക്കുന്നത് ഈ പ്രാവശ്യം നമുക്ക് നോക്കാം നമ്മൾ ജയിക്കുവോ ഇല്ലയോ എന്ന്. నేను ఇంటి లోపల పోతున్నాను. എടാ അവരുടെ റാങ്ക് ഒക്കെ ഒന്ന് നോക്കാം ഒക്കുവാടാ. ఓకే డైమండా డైమండ్ 4. వెయిట్ రే లెట్ దెమ్ కమ్. See back, don't see front. Okay, I'll tell you when people are coming. Someone is coming. Okay, let them come.
First doom.
I'm going near the window, give me cover. Kill him! Arey, Shibi, back of you. Kill him. One fella is coming up. ఇక్కడ పైనకి వస్తుండు, పైన బయటికి వెళ్ళిపోయింది. నా దగ్గర ఒకడు ఉన్నాడు. ఈజ్ హావింగ్ M500. ఓకే I'm taking this G36. I took. Keep it in assault, okay? If you are taking G36. Oh, power entry. Switch to mobile data fast. Oh shit, man. Okay. Network పోయింది, కొంచెం టైం పడుతుంది. అరే who is with me? Okay. Arey, go, Shibin, go take the loot tray from the drop. పైననా? ఇద్దరు అక్కడనే ఉన్నారా? కిల్లా?
Help me!
అదే ఇద్దరు ఉన్నారు కదా అక్కడ. రాని దిద్దాం. One knock. That fellow is only knocked. I knocked one fellow, re. And Shibin, to keep it in range, okay? Oh, you died, ah? I thought you were alive. Come with me, come with me. What is his name? Miss Anu. Left ki ఉంది, left ki ఉంది, right కి రాకండి. Right నేను చూసుకుంటా. Oh shit. సరే left చూసుకోండి, right అయితే. ఒకడు పైన ఎక్కిండు, ఒకడు పైన ఎక్కిండు. ఆ? అయ్యే మీ రైట్ కి ఒకడు ఉన్నాడు పైన. అదిగో మెట్లెక్కిండు. ఏ షిబిన్, సీ బ్యాక్. అవో పైన కూర్చుండు. ఆడేం చూస్తున్నాడా? ఆడ పైన ఎక్కిండు, పైననే ఉన్నాడు. ఆడో టెలిపోర్ట్ అవుతుండు. పోండి ముందుకు పోండి. అది ఎక్కడి నుంచి కొడుతున్నాడు? కనిపించిండు. I'm tray my something.
Help me! Thanks.
Oh shit!
Help me!
Something came up, pop up, అరే గ్లిచ్ నెట్వర్క్ ప్రాబ్లం ఉండే నాకు. అరే చూపిద్దాం ఆయనకి ఏం చేస్తున్నాడు. Take G36, that's giving 36 damage per one. You took that, Take range only, okay? Don't take assault, okay? Assault is giving only 14. Come left. Range is giving more. మా దగ్గర ఇది ముగ్గురున్నారు. Hey, wait re. On top one fellow is there, okay? Kick him from the back. Come on. ఎక్కడున్నాడు? Come here. Go ahead. Someone is on the top, okay?
Double takedown.
He's on the top.
Triple takedown.
Good job.
Hey, Shibin, you kill choried mine, okay? Hey, there only that blue wall fellow. You kill choried mine. Okay, whatsoever.
Thanks. Is here.
I'll take G36 only. Poor connection. Hey, don't use your Wi-Fi. Or got shifted to Wi-Fi.
Thanks.
Poor connection shit, man. Hey, stay alert, Ray. Shibin. Wait. Hold here. Rani. What about this? You are seeing left or you are seeing straight? Okay, see left. I'll check here. Coming, huh? No, on you it's not there. Who is firing? Okay, they are on the top, okay. No. Knocked one fellow.
Double takedown.
Ah, got him.
Takedown.
Guys, do like, share, and subscribe the stream.
Live on.
Ah, it's great. అన్న ఆ తమ్ముడు యూట్యూబర్. So guys, this is a second booyah, I guess, if I'm not wrong. Ah, huh? Hello? So, నేను చాట్ లో పెడతా నేను నోరుతో చెప్తే నీకు అర్థం కావదు అనుకుంటా. నేను చాట్ లో పెడతా, అక్కడ చూడు. పెట్టినా చూడండి. స్టార్ట్ చేయాలా మ్యాచ్? Yeah, I'm with you. I started. You sent me the request now. So guys, do like, share, and subscribe my channel. So it's
Free fire in here.
CS match again. Let's have a rock again. Bro, చెప్పు. నా దగ్గర డైమండ్ లేదు, అది ప్రాబ్లం. Follow me. Give me a cover. Hey, use your mobile data also, okay? Cover me. I don't see anyone here, okay? No one is here. Oh, on the top. Ended. All are here.
First
No
duel.
problem. We have other rounds also.
Help me!
Double takedown.
We have వేరే రౌండ్స్ ఉన్నాయి చూసుకుందాం అక్కడ. G36. Shubin, come to my right. You guys, right, left కి ఇవ్వండి మీరు. లోపట పోకండి, నేను చెప్పినాక లోపట పోండి. Wait, give cover. Someone is using zipline.
First
Cover me.
duel.
How did he die, Re? I told him don't enter. He entered. Okay, Shibin, take left. No, don't go in. Wait, I'll tell you. Take go right, okay? Come in. Interrupt. Come in, Re Buffalo. Oh shit, man, he's having max and oh shit.
Double takedown.
I told you to come in, take left. You were saying to your left.
ಹಿಂದೆ ಎಂತೋ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕುಂಟಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಮಾಲತಿ ಬರಡನಿ.
Oh.
ಮೊದಲಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
Okay, take G. I'm taking G36. You take some shot.
I took this.
MP5, yeah? Good one. Come to my right. Let's kill the people who are taking the zip line.
Kindly do not use English. Kindly use languages like Malayalam.
Oh,
Because your English is very confusing, I get confused a lot.
I use code language. That is
Yes,
the
you
problem.
use Chinese English.
Come with me.
Shong, shing, shing,
Someone used the zipline and came to the mid. Okay,
on the.
mid. Not here. Mid. Not behind us. Towards your right. Towards your right. Towards your left now.
Avro.
Mid.
Oh!
I
Help me!
told you.
നീ ഏതാ അതാണ് പറയാ മലയാളത്തിൽ പറയണ പറഞ്ഞ ഒരിക്കലാണോ മൂന്നാണോ ഫുഡ് 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 പറഞ്ഞോണ്ടിരിക്കുക
Yeah, knock Jenny. This match is gone.
മലയാളത്തിൽ പറഞ്ഞു
Okay. കൊല്ലവനെ ഇവന്മാർക്ക് മനസ്സിലാവണ്ടേ? ఇవమారు ఎందువాడా ఇది?
వాడి రష్కి వచ్చినప్పుడు మనం అందరం ఒకసారి అటాక్ చేస్తాం.
జోయికా. హలో బ్రో, నువ్వు ఎక్కడ ఉంటావు? హైదరాబాద్ లో ఉంటావా? పూణే తెలుగు ఎట్లా?
Thanks.
అదే గ్రావిటీ ల్యాబ్స్ అయితే బయట ఉండాలి. అరే శివన్ ఫాలో మీ. డోంట్ గో ఇన్ ఓకే. ఆగుతోటి పోండా. స్టే. కవర్ మీ. అరే మీ దగ్గర నలుగురు ఉన్నారు. అరే నువ్వు పోకండి మిస్ అండి. Knock him. I knocked him. Yes, man. Yes.
Thanks.
Oh shit, man. ഒരു knock അടിച്ച സ്കില്ല് പോലും കിട്ടിയില്ല. കഷ്ടമുണ്ടാ കാർഡ്? సరే I'm accept. హలో కష్టం పెట్టు. ആയിക്കോട്ടെ, കുഴപ്പമില്ല. എന്താ?
1v2 അതെ.
ఓకే.
సరే.
ఇందువా కష్టం నా దగ్గర లేదు.
కష్టం కార్డు ఉంది నా దగ్గర, నేను పెడతా వాళ్ళంటే. സరే
1v2 അത്രേ.
1v1 വെക്കണം. എൻ്റെ അടുത്ത് കഷ്ടം കാർഡ് ഉണ്ട്.
വേണ്ട, നമുക്ക് 1-2 മതി. അവന് കഷ്ടം കളിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി എതിരുടെ നമ്മളുടെ അടുത്ത് ഇങ്ങനെ. നീ കഷ്ടം ഉണ്ടാക്കുവാന്നോ? എടാ അവൻ റാങ്ക് CS അറിയാം. ഡൂയിങ് സംതിങ് കാളിങ് മീ. അവൻ എന്താണ്? ഓക്കെ ഗായ്സ്, ഇന്നത്തെ സ്ട്രീം ഇവിടെ വെച്ച് ഉണ്ടാക്കാൻ പ്ലാൻ ചെയ്യുക. സോ ഡു ലൈക്ക്, ഷെയർ ആൻഡ് സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ്. ബൈ.